Hey guys, this is Mike with Colombia. I'm here with my wife Diana, the foundation for abandoned elderly people in Cali. There are more than 100 elderly people here in this foundation in a private house that is set up by purely volunteers. They have no funding whatsoever, so I'm asking you to please help donate whatever you have in your heart, and we will transfer this funding to their needs down here. They're not allowed to receive cash directly, but we will buy all their needs. They're missing everything from diapers to bed sheets to clothes to food, and of course they have electrical bills, water bills, all of that to pay. This is entirely done by volunteer work. There's 100 old people here and more keep coming every day. They just get left in the front of the door or by the police because they know it's a foundation for elderly people here, but they have no funding from the Colombian state, no funding from any company. It's all done by volunteer work. They go around and knock doors and ask for money. So I'm asking you, my network and Diana's network, please donate some money, and we will make sure that this money goes straight to these elderly people that really need it. Merry Christmas to all of you. Okay, I'm here with Ana Bena, that is the founder of the foundation, and she's called the mother of the grandparents, and she's the one for many years now has been in charge of the foundation. So she will be the one handling any donation that will come into the foundation. So I ask you, please help us out. So we're just on the way back from the old people's home, the abandoned old people's home, and we were looking and interviewing and taking pictures in the foundation. So Diana, what was your experience there? What did you think about this, you being Colombian and here from Cali?
Well, it's very, very sad to see how so much people get into the oldest days and don't have any family, and they have so much needs just for the basic, like clothes, like diapers, everything. And I think Ana Bena is doing a very good work, but of course she needs more help. It's 100 people to feed every day and take care of. She also have all her family involved in the whole process, but of course they have a lot of needs. And
how do they pay for all this?
Well, according what she tell me is that she is going around trying to find support. Some people help monthly, some people help once in lifetime, and other people keep supporting. But of course it's 100 people to feed, so it's difficult, and especially they have 30 people that they are in a wheelchair. They have some they are missing some part of their body. They need medicine and special attention.
And the people helping there, are they educated or?
No, not at all. I can see it that she is doing it from her heart, and I can see it and many administration problems because she's just doing it for what she can. And if we gonna help, the idea is to just go and buy the things that they need, like diapers, like medicine, like food and mattresses and clothes and things to wash and all the basic things. And of course the food is the most important, I think.
So I just want to be sure that if you end up donating something, we're gonna put a link down in the description of this video on how to make a donation, that every single penny that gets donated, we will be sure that it goes to benefit the old people in the home there, and there will be no administration fees, nothing lost in the process, and we will not be handing over cash to the foundation either, as they're not allowed to receive it. So we will make sure that the needs will get met out there, at least for this Christmas time and these holidays. So we hope you can help out, and we thank you so much.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye.